Okay guys, so a couple of little tips and tricks as well before we start. It's good to have a lot of stuff on you, right? So with my clips, I'll always clip my clips on my shirt. You can clip them on your watch if you want to, for example, but it's really good to keep them on you. You'll see when we're going through the haircut that you want to always have these on you just to make your life super simple. So I do a full basin service on a client, wash their hair, shampoo and everything, and then I would come through and use my paddle brush just to get through everything, make it nice and smooth. Now with our sectioning, guys, we are going to use the wider teeth, not the thin side, okay? So the reason why we do that is because it's gonna make it easier for you to get through the hair, separate stuff, than it does with the thinner side. But then when we're cutting, we're gonna use that thinner side, okay? But I'll show you that in the videos, and then we can go from there. Ideally, when you're starting off these haircuts and when you're first starting cutting, you wanna have a mirror with you, okay? Because you wanna make sure that your body posture, the client's head is in the right place and everything like that. Obviously, in my studio, I don't have a mirror here at the moment, so you may see me refer to the front a couple of times. Make sure, even just leaning over the top to make sure that my sectioning is in the correct place, okay? Another great one for when you're doing longer hair and you're worrying about the baseline, because obviously we don't want to be hunched over, cutting down here and whatnot. A great idea is to get a stool to make sure that you're in the most comfortable position possible. So when we're cutting hair, we have to be a little bit selfish, and it is about us. We need to make sure that our body position, our hands, elbows, everything is in the correct place so we can cut hair for a long time, not a short time.